Let the soul take the lead. Many of the way I look at the soul is the spiritual part of me, or the spiritual part of you, of self. And that spiritual part has a mind of its own. It creates from the ethers, pulling wisdom from places we didn't even know exist, activating our bodies and everything within to remember who we are, to remember things of way, way past. Interestingly, I saw a video the other day of a little girl. She was like 2 years old, and her parents were American, and she started speaking Japanese. And it was the strangest thing. What was that? A remembrance of maybe a past life. Maybe she lived as a Japanese before. It was just strange. Okay, so letting your soul lead is where you listen to yourself and trust yourself and all your promptings. The human spirit is alive and well, navigating the new waters with zeal, creating marvels and sin, making sounds that ear has never heard. It is a new era. It is a fresh time. Rejoice in your fruitfulness. Grow and multiply in your plenty. Let the human spirit thrive. Let the soul lead. Your soul will never lead you astray. It has knowledge that you'll never ever tap into unless it's revealed to you, and it knows the whole blueprint of your life's journey as you go through life. Open petals. This poem was inspired by when the flower starts to bloom and the petals get open. It's like revealing the beauty of the beauty of the flower, and in this case the flower can be you. I like to take nature and apply it to our reality. So in this case, the flower, you were the blooming individual in all your giftings, in all your talents, in all your strength. Open petals, filled with wisdom and knowledge, infused with all kinds of magical understanding, yet blocked like a bird, waiting to reveal its beauty. The beauty is there, unseen from the world that is thirsty for color, just like the nature of life. When the time and season is right, slow and steady, there comes the beauty, the refreshments of genius blooming in our eyes as open petals. And that's you. You are a soul full of genius, and the world is waiting to see you bloom to your highest capacity. Relevant. Make yourself relevant in this time. Never tire to do good. Join the giant party of life and let your genius flow. Or allow yourself to live on purpose, for a purpose, always sharing joyful cheers and uplifting those around you. It is good for the soul. Relevant. Keep yourself relevant. As long as you do things that fulfill you, that grow you, you will naturally be relevant and keep following your heart and your soul's leading.